how to make a smooth slow motion effect. So let's say this video, what you just have to do is to come here, right click on this, go to speed, duration. Probably you can play around it, probably 80%, 50% or 60%, whichever one you want. You can come to this second one, you give it whatever percentage, just play around it. Let me say it's 70% slow. Yeah, so let's play this and see. You can see how slow it is. Yeah, you can check the second one and see how slow it is. Let's actually merge this and see, create something. Merge this with this. Let me make it a bit short. Mark how long it is. Let me just merge this to this. Yeah, you can see how it seems like this is lagging a bit. So you can just come here and just click here, come here. Right click on the clip, come to this same speed and duration, go here, change this to optical flow, click on OK, come here, change this to the same speed or duration, click on optical flow. So as you can see, there's a red line here, meaning that you have to render it. So it might be a bit laggy, but once you render or you export it, let's render in and out. Yup, it's done rendering, and you can see how smooth it is. You can compare the before and the after, and definitely you can see the differences.